Hello mga ka-ready! Tara at libutin natin ang Grand Cayman. Kasama natin ang ating tour guide. Ayan si Kuya. Thank you so much.
But mostly rich people.
Oh.
In fact, the most expensive house in Cayman, in the Cayman Islands, is on this road.
Oh, on this road. So what is the name of this road?
This is South Sound Road.
South Sound Road.
South Sound Road. Yeah.
Okay.
And the one house, they want 59.5 million US.
Oh, 59 million.
US, yeah.
Oh, really? Which one?
Oh, we haven't got to it yet.
It is one. What kind of house is this?
These are apartments.
Uh-huh.
A friend of mine built them, but mostly owned by Chinese, I think.
Oh, Chinese people.
Because he's married to Chinese.
Oh.
Which turned out to be a nightmare for him.
Oh. Why?
Oh, she wants everything that he had. They're separated. She wants everything. She told the judge she needs everything because she's just a poor housewife.
Nice place.
Down the coast there.
But it's raining.
Yeah, big dog.
Oh yeah. Wow, the house here is nice.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
But when the storms come, the hurricanes, they all come from this side, so the people here run.
Oh really?
Oh yeah.
And the water from the ocean is very... Until here?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Much further inland than here.
Oh, sad. They don't put wall on the ocean.
Yeah, but that don't stop it. The ocean come over it.
That's a sad story.
The house with the red roof, that one coming there with the red roof, that's the house. That's the most expensive house on the island.
Oh, this is one of the most expensive house.
It is the most expensive.
The most?
This one, yeah.
Okay, this one, the red roof. So this is the red one roof. Oh, it's a big, just like a mansion, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, 59 million?
59.5 million.
Oh, 59.5 million.
And I think the size of it is 48,000 square feet.
Oh.
And there's your yellow submarine.
Ah, that's the submarine. Did you see the yellow submarine? Can I get that picture of that yellow submarine?
No,
no more the
that's
submarine.
when we go around this corner, but you'll have to turn your neck really hard.
Yeah.
See, you may be able to look back and get the picture of the submarine.
Okay, thank you for that.
I was going to try to go in there, but they have that blocked off.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
There's your submarine.
Oh, there. So that one. Road trip to Cayman Island.
That building there's been there since 1897.
1897? That's too long.
Yeah, not 1897.
Oh. So what's this?
Burger King. Burger King on the waterfront.
Oh.
Filipinos, see them sitting there inside.
You've been there?
Yeah, there was a lot of Filipinos in there, and noisy. Oh, they make noise.
Oh. There's also a kirk here.
Oh, yeah. And the Kirks are actually from Cayman Brac.
Yeah. So this kirk is the owner is from the Cayman Brac too. Okay.
Yeah. Charles and Eldon Colonel. And they have a hardware store on that street as well.
Oh, yeah. My boss is working at the Kirk Garden.
Yeah. And there's Kentucky Fried Chicken.
KFC.
But I don't eat chicken.
You don't eat chicken? What do you eat? Fish, yeah,
I
like.
like seafood and fruits, vegetables.
Yeah.
I'll eat a little bit of beef, but not really.
Not
big-
really
a big
that
meat
much.
lover. No. Now all of this is expensive real estate. This is 7 Mile Beach.
Oh.
This is all 7 Mile Beach Corridor. The tourist district.
Meron akong tour guide. Aha. At siya yung nag-explain kung nasaan kami. And that one, what is that? Near.
What?
The one. The big building?
Over there? That's a
Yeah,
hotel.
yeah, the green one?
Condos and hotels. The one with the green roof,
Yeah,
they're
yeah.
condominiums.
Yeah.
The one after that is a hotel.
Oh.
That's a hotel. And all of the hotels belong to the same guy, Dart. This is another hotel, this is the Marriott.
Marriott Hotel. That is a Marriott Hotel, but you cannot see. You cannot see because of the.
You can go across later.
Yeah.
And these are condominiums. This is a good restaurant right here. Peppers. These are all condos. This one here, this is a little hotel.
Oh, we've been here last night.
Yeah?
Yeah. We go to the beach. Yeah.
And
So
you
this
didn't
is
call
the, what you call that?
And you're almost down to my place.
The one. What is that?
Public Beach, 7 Mile.
No, the one.
The bridge?
The bridge. What is the name of that bridge?
They don't have a name.
Oh, just like a bridge. Why they cover it?
I don't know.
What the story?
I think they're planning. I think that's going to be part of a building. This is the foundation, I think. I see no reason for all that.
Oh.
Other than maybe part of a huge building.
Okay.
And here's another Burger King.
So this is the end of the bridge. Oh yeah, but they don't know why they build that
No.
bridge. So wag nyo nang itanong kung bakit. Don't ask me that question because I don't know how to answer it. Okay. So ikot-ikot lang kami. At meron akong tour guide.
You gonna become tour guide?
Yeah, you're my tour guide. You're the one explaining me what kind of place is this, blah blah blah. So you see,
I'm the tour guide.
so you're the tour guide.
When we're in the Philippines.
Also, this is the Camana Bay.
You were here?
No, the other side. The other side, that here. We go that side yesterday.
Yeah.
So
There's a big grocery store here, over here. Foster's.
so we're going to different place. Puno na ang aking So, we're here at Camana Bay. Mag-iikot-ikot lang. At that. May tao pala sa likod. Kasama pala ako. May nakabuntot sa likod ko. Oh. So, bababa tayo. Camana Bay. You can see that Camana Bay. So, pagka gusto nyo manood ng sini, meron din silang sini dito. Ano lang sini ayan, palabas. The Naked Gun, The Roses, blah blah blah. But we're not gonna watch movies. Ikot. Did you see that flower from the big tree? Yeah. Ayan. Ayan yung flower na yan. Ay, ang daming bee. Oh. There's so many bee. Okay. So, ito naman yung mga boat na pang fishing. Ayan. So, syempre, alam mo na, pag wala kang pera, hindi ka magkakaroon nito. O, diba? At, ayan, yung ganda ng kanilang beach dito sa Grand Cayman. Sobrang nakakatuwa po kasi napaka-white po ng kanilang sand. Ayan. At, ayan, look, oh, diba, oh? Oh, hinahatak nung speedboat yung ewan ko anong tawag dyan. Basta nakalagay po sila sa parang malaking balon. So, ayan, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood ng aking vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Laging ready. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo. Bye!